The Cheong Fat Tse Mansion, also known as the Blue Mansion, is an iconic historic building located in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. It is renowned for its striking blue facade and rich historical significance. The mansion was built in the late 19th century by Cheong Fat Tse, a prominent Chinese merchant and entrepreneur often referred to as the Rockefeller of the East. Cheong Fat Tse was a highly successful businessman with interests in various industries across Southeast Asia. The mansion's architecture is a fine example of traditional Chinese courtyard homes, blended with European design elements. The mansion features intricate wooden carvings, stained glass windows, and beautiful porcelain shard decorations. The most notable feature is its distinctive indigo blue exterior, which gives it the nickname Blue Mansion. In the late 1990s, the mansion underwent a major restoration project led by a team of experts and craftsmen. The restorations aimed to preserve the unique architectural heritage of the building and its historical significance. Today, the Cheong Fat Tse Mansion serves as a boutique hotel and museum. Visitors can book guided tours to explore the mansion's interior, learn about its history, and admire the craftsmanship of its design. The mansion also hosts cultural events and exhibitions. The mansion has received numerous accolades and awards for its architectural preservation and cultural importance. It was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008 as part of the Georgetown Heritage Zone. Tourists and history enthusiasts visiting Penang often include the Blue Mansion in their itinerary to experience its unique blend of Asian and Western architectural styles. Guided tours provide insights into the life of Cheong Fat Tse and the cultural heritage of the region. If you're interested in these types of virtual tours and want to find out more about other interesting sites and places, please be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching! Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button.